Hey guys, it's Lowe's Trades again. I just kind of wanted to review um, some trades that I took this week. So currently, I've been working on a 5K My Forex Funds account, and as you guys might be aware, 8% is $400 on the account, which is that's the target. I have just completed it in 2 weeks. Okay, I have taken roughly four trades, or at least four winning trades. Um, and right now, I need to wait till the following week to hit the total trading days that they require, which is 5 minimum trading days, before I can go on to the next phase. So just some quick information. The instrument I was using was NAS 100. Okay, as y'all can see, my win rate is 50%. Um, and yeah, now we're done. These are some of the trades. The trade we're going to be going over today is actually this one right here. This is my winning trade. This was the trade that got it all for me. As y'all will notice, I took three trades. Took two. I took two losses, and my third trade was my winner. So, without further ado, let's get to it. All right, guys, and I just wanted to be transparent. This is on replay mode. However, I will be including the footage of me taking the trade live in the market, so y'all could see exactly how things went about. But as far as what I'm looking at, and I know this is a bit of a mess, so let me go ahead and remove some of these things off. I have a lot. Okay. Hope I didn't remove a level that I needed, but I guess I'll be fine. Anyways, so as some of y'all may or may not know, I am currently a Profit X student. I have bounced from mentor to mentor within, I would say, 6 months to a year, because I have not felt confident in the strategy that I was learning, or at least I felt like it wasn't for me. Something about that strategy did not resonate. However, with Profit X by Abdullah, I have finally found something that I feel 100% confident in, and I see the results. I'm no longer confused in the market, and I find it easier to take losses. So, my mentor, he has posted um, currently a series of how he's getting up to, I believe, around $1 million in funding capital. And since he is showing the strategy, or at least going through it briefly, I'm going to try to also keep it brief as to, I would say, not expose it, because it's not my strategy. I don't think it's fair, but I will show with you guys roughly what it is that I'm looking for. So I start roughly on the daily time frame, right? As we can see, right, price was creating higher high, higher low, right? Broke that resistance, pushed up, created a higher high, right? Now we're waiting to enter a higher low to potentially go up. That's my mindset with this, okay? Before this, I probably would be looking at the daily time frame, right? I'd look at this and say, "Oh shoot, we're bearish. Let me catch a quick scalp." And fortunately, we ended up getting stopped out. So yeah, no more of that. I'm gonna bring some of these stuff back in. Okay, go forward. All right. I don't know. You guys are gonna look at this and be like, "What the heck? You guys stopped out. What are you talking about, man?" But bear with me, guys. Okay. So as y'all can see, again, my overall bias was bullish. I trade supply and demand and support and resistance, but I favor supply and demand. Now, since I'm bullish, I do not counter trend anymore. I do not counter trend trade anymore. For me, it just doesn't work. And if I'm gonna do it, I will do it on an account with money that I'm willing to gamble. Okay, so I will only trade with the higher time frame. So with that being said, obviously, I set my demand zones where it made sense to me based on the off of my strategy, right? Off of the 4 hour, 1 hour. As y'all can see, this is my demand. Okay. When price reached it initially, it tapped it here. As y'all can see, we got one tap, two taps into this demand zone. I'm not gonna lie, I was a little hesitant because of the fact that that third tap could potentially mean we're gonna, reject and break through. So I was pretty hesitant on it. However, you have to take the opportunities when they are given to you. So this is my first trade that I took that was a failure, unfortunately. As y'all can see, okay, I enter, or at least I trade, my trading time is around 7 a.m. and I try to be done by 11. So around this time, as y'all can see, it is 7 a.m. right here, right? If I would have been up earlier and I seen this, right, followed by this push up, I would have entered it. Okay, I would have probably entered that candle close. I'm not gonna lie. Okay, but my confluences was there. I had a break of structure, right? Overall higher time frame. So I entered when price came to about roughly 50. It's not gonna be perfect, but I'm gonna call it 50% of my signal. Okay. However, as y'all can see, got stopped out. Okay. And the reason why I took this trade was because I figured, okay, listen, we tapped into our demand. We have pushed up and we're creating higher highs, right? Keep breaking structure. Came back down to create potentially a higher low, right? So with this, my mindset was like, okay, we're pushing up, probably gonna play around a little bit here, right? Do something, and potentially we're gonna head up to break these highs to create another higher high. But as y'all can see, didn't work out. My second trade, let me go ahead and unlock it, push it a little bit more over here. Here we go. Okay, my second trade as y'all can see was based on this candle here. Okay, I entered, unfortunately, I'm not gonna lie, I think this was a little bit more of a FOMO type of trade, because the smarter trade would have been if I felt that confident to enter at entry or 50%, right? The fact that it broke that wick, for me, I kind of look at it like I got FOMO. I was like, oh, it's gonna leave me. Let's hop in. And yeah, unfortunately, I got stopped out, right? Maybe somebody doing a counter trend trade will look at this and say, oh shoot, we have a evening star. Let's go for the sales. And granted, if they're not entering around this area and at least 1-to-1, then good luck. All right, guys. So, and I'm not gonna lie, okay, as y'all can see, it's 9:10. Around 10:30, I believe we're gonna have a news report. So this is what happened. Price came down to, so y'all can see this area right here, right? This is a 4-hour support. So I had multiple confluences to take it. Now, granted, it was after. Nope, I'm sorry. This was a third trade, okay? And at this point, I wasn't going to trade, but I realized, like my mentor says, when you see the signal, take the shot. Professional traders, and I believe even Doyle, which is another guy that I like to watch his videos occasionally, professional traders always take the shot when their signal or their edge appears. There's no emotion. So I had multiple confluences, 4-hour demand zone, break of my structure, right? And the beautiful thing, like you could either consider this a morning star, right, or an engulfing. Either one, for me, those patterns off of how I back tested them gave me they gave me confidence to enter and to enter with full leverage, since I was already up 6%. So for me, this trade was a no-brainer to go ahead and risk 2%. Okay. And as y'all can see, we waited. This candle printed. I waited. Okay. Wasn't in yet. Bam. Not gonna lie, it would have been a lot better to catch 50% of that entry. However, I realized, hey, you know what? I'm happy here too. But so at this point in time, I'm not gonna lie, I thought I was done for. I was like, yo, third trade is a loss. It is what it is. But I ended up getting, as y'all can see, my 5-minute pin bar gave me the most confident. I'm like, yup, it's done. We're going up. And yeah, easy. 3RR hit. Like I said, I cannot express this enough, how grateful I am to have found Profit X. I've been through so many mentors, And it's not to knock off their course. It's to say that I'm so happy that I finally found something that works for me, something that I trust, something that I feel confident, something that I see working. But all right, guys, I'll leave it at that. And yeah, good luck to anybody on this journey too. Like, share, subscribe, leave questions, leave comments. Let me know how I can better the quality of these videos, guys. All right, take care.